But zoom out, macro. There are almost 8 billion people on one rock, more interconnected than ever before, not by chance. We could have just as easily been born into 8 billion separate planets, all side by side, without any awareness, any knowledge of our neighbor, without the need for language for that matter. But that's not the case. Almost 8 billion on one rock, more interconnected than ever before. Therefore, the meaning of life is to love one another. The purpose of life is to figure that out. So macro, zoom out. If you could change one thing about our interconnected global society today, what would that one thing be? And I'm sure a lot of our listeners have a laundry list of areas of improvement for our global society at every level.
That's a big question, Taylor, and I love it. It's not one thing. I think that what I would like to teach, and I try to do this in my work, is to teach mutual respect, compassion, understanding, and I do that from the individual that I hope will be teaching their partners, their families, and then their societies and communities, and working from the smallest, part up to the global part. And that's what I see my job is, and to not try to make everyone the same, but to really, honor the rich cultural diversities that we all have, and to teach individuals how to step into their own unique talents and gifts for self-empowerment, and to use those unique talents to be of service for others and the highest good of all concerned. And again, that's what you're doing with this program. So kudos to you. Yeah, no, I agree with you. And in my work, which deals a lot with the mind and the body, and, people ask, are you a therapist? And I have a master's in spiritual psychology, which acknowledges first that each one of us is a spiritual being having our own unique human experience on earth. And we each come into this world with unique talents and gifts that we, have the opportunity to develop in ourselves and not to shy away from. Unity through community, I completely get. And at the same time, we have very rich cultural differences that are wonderful to celebrate.